Hello friend, welcome to the channel Pharmacy Dictionary. In our last lecture session, we have discussed about the phases of metabolism, where we have discussed that metabolism is important process and it is having so many consequences that convert the lipid soluble drug into water soluble drug so that it may excreted easily. But in this video, I am going to use two slides. These two slides are very important, and the first one is phases in metabolism or biotransformation of any drug. So what is the meaning of this heading? See, whenever we take any kind of drug, the drug has three options or three steps for their excretion point of view. That means the drug may get excreted via three steps. These three steps are optional and that does not depend on each and every drug. So it is a drug specific process. What are the three steps or three possibilities consequence for the drug for excretion? So see, this is a drug. What is a drug? Drug is a chemical entity which is taken by the patient for the relief of any problem. So there are three steps for the drug. The step number one say either drug will excreted unchanged. So this is drug. This is unchanged form. That means it will not go for the metabolism and it will completely excreted as such. So this was first option for the drug. Now what is the second option? The drug will go for phase 1 reaction. Other name of phase 1 reaction like non-synthetic reaction, functionalization reaction. So these are basic phases of metabolism where our body try to convert that drug into its possible metabolite, and if the metabolite is water soluble, that metabolite will go for the excretion directly. So this is second possibility or second option for the drug. But if the metabolite is not water soluble, that metabolite will now go for the phase 2 reaction, and you know it very well that phase 2 reaction is synthetic reaction or conjugated reaction. So in this case, the drug is converted into more water soluble or more polar substance so that their metabolite will be water soluble and they may get excreted. So this is third consequence or third option for the drug for being metabolized. So this very important step. Now let's move to the next slide where we have to study about the phase specific reaction and their respective examples. This is one of the most important table for your competition point of view. So here I am going to explain you the regarding phase 1. So phase 1 reaction is also known as a non-synthetic reaction. You should remember the other name because this name are asked in examination too. Non-synthetic reaction or functionalization reaction. So there are subtype of phase 1. These are oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis. Example under oxidation process are phenytoin, diazepam, ibuprofen, amphetamine, chlorpromazine and dapsone. You should remember all the name of this drug which go for the oxidation process. Now next one is reduction. Example of drug which go for the reduction are chloramphenicol and halothane. Hydrolysis, these are pethidine, procaine, enalapril. Now we have to study about the phase 2 reaction. All different names of phase 2 reaction are synthetic reaction or conjugation reaction. Under this, there are other parameters like glucuronide conjugation. Example of drug which go through this process are chloramphenicol, morphine, diazepam, aspirin. Next one is acetylation. Example is sulfonamide and isoniazide. Next one, methylation. Always these are the addition of the respective group. Acetylation, addition of acetyl group. Methylation, addition of methyl group. So under the methylation, example are adrenaline, noradrenaline, dopamine and histamine. Next one is glutathione conjugation. These are paracetamol. This question has been asked in a pharmacist examination. So if you are preparing for that examination, you should keep this thing in your mind. Next one is sulfate conjugation. Example are paracetamol, steroid. And the last one is amino acid conjugation. Example of this condition are salicylic acid and benzoic acid. So friend, the reference for today's topic and two slides are Padmaja Uday Kumar, first edition, page number 26. So if you want to download this note, you can download it in our Facebook group. So just join the group and download all the PDF available there. At last, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do take care of yourself.